on there. Hold on there, everybody. We say season 9.
Season 9.
We say 5K subscribers.
5K subscribers.
Proud of your brother, man.
I cool enough.
Yeah, that car. Now, hold on. Can you
Yeah.
just skip past the most important things that are going right. That's 5K, that's 5,000 people, bro.
That's good.
It's a lot of people.
A good vibes.
And quick and fast to 10K people, please. Yeah, press the like button. Fast. It gets the video moving quickly. You see me? Season 9. And you are tiring, girl. Oh, God,
Right.
today.
So look, end up. Quickly before we get into the program, pick up yourself, everybody. Yeah.
That is it.
Season 9, 5K subscribers. You're done here with the general say.
Yeah.
Make we keep this one here because without a like, share, and comment, it come like the thing what stagnant.
Yeah.
And we don't want the thing to what.
Nah.
In the 9.
We don't want it dry out.
We don't want it dry out. Come in, M. Cause I want everybody see how you clean chicken back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for everyone who don't know what chicken back is, it's the part of the chicken, like the underneath, like if you got a full chicken and you chop off it's basically the part that not the thigh and the wing, and you chop off all the breast and everything. It's
Just the
like
back, man. You know your back.
The
You have
back
your
of
belly
it,
and your back.
yeah.
This is the back.
Right.
Yes, people.
So a lot of people don't actually know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
And the back is the bony part of the chicken as well.
right. So you see, you're just taking off all the little gunk and little something in there.
See all that? So I take out the wall of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, good vibes.
Good vibes.
Cleaning process.
What is it? Some green banana there. Curry jug one, same way. We say curry chicken back,
Curry chicken back.
which is right. It's one of my favourite meals as well, people. So press the like button early for this car. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision.
Eh?
Can I do it?
Want the chicken back?
Yeah.
What you want to do? Tell me what you want to do it now. Because I want to do the chicken back here basic like say. Nothing on the board.
I want to see.
Clean. That is it. So you say curry chicken back today, Ringo.
Yeah, man.
That is it, my G. Season 9. What? That is it.
See this part of the back?
Yeah.
This fat hair
Yeah.
have to come out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most, the majority of it anyway.
Okay. I don't mind that. So.
Remove all of that. And then you see what it is now? We just give it a thorough wash.
Yeah.
You see inside of it.
Yeah. And then seasoning time.
Yeah, man, a good vibe, man, but a freshness may I deal with right now.
I hear.
You see it?
I hear.
Yeah, freshness.
You said that like put the camera down this way, I've got. Oi oi.
Boy. Yes, so M.
Yeah.
So, tell me the chicken back in the yard, what that's like.
Oh, bro, do you know what?
Yeah.
You see the chicken's got that little more fresher.
Yes.
Yeah, you see the chicken back in Jamaica. Mad.
Yeah, spin on the camera with them now, so we're there. I wanna
Yeah, when we're there, man, I will have vibes, huh?
You're born on the 15th.
That is
Speaker
it.
is the 10th, but it's still
That is it.
Capricorn.
Yeah, man. Big up Chad for a Chad birthday.
I'm very strong, yeah, man, for real in the general. Big up, respect and manners. More life.
More life.
More life and more blessings.
I'm happy this phone from Capricorn. You see my message at the
That is it.
My message is go to the phone go for.
Dash your code, man. Yeah,
I said, really hard to tie a deal with the just dash your cord phone. So good, man.
Yeah, get up now, don't.
Yeah. This is it. Well, all our vibes in England, man. Said it.
How you mean?
That is it.
We are comfortable as a child. Alright. Good vibes. That's like that.
Well, I've been getting up to it. Oh, no.
That is it,
That is it, my G.
Yeah, man.
Fully
Good
active.
vibes, people. Yes, everybody, Wagwan, you don't know. Welcome to the program 24-Hour Kitchen with Daya. Big up yourself, everybody, 5K subscribers. We're in season 9, people. As you can see earlier, what was happening, we was dealing with the curry chicken back, and we was also dealing with the green banana. Fling around the camera so you can see that all the bananas, them, washed, prepped, ready. Look at this now. The pan also has been waiting, boiling hot water. And what you have to do as well, add a little bit of oil to the pot of boiling hot water. Good vibes. Yes, man, this is it, the curry chicken back, people. Yeah, man. All right, guess what, everybody, yeah? As you can see that I've uploaded a previous video announcing the cooking masterclass, everybody, yeah? So if you would like to be involved in the cooking masterclass, you can get the information from the About Us on the page. It's got my email address on there. Send me an email. I'll give you all the information and send out all the information to you. It's available for each and every one of you people, yeah? Pick up yourself. You've done no work, one. Look at this, people. Curry chicken, you know? Back, you know?
That is it,
That is it. So I want it curry chicken back this, you know, so
Yeah.
as you can see that it pull up the whole pan. Yeah, man. And then on draw thing, lock up.
That is it.
Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to
Oi. Hot as steam up, Ringo. Yeah. Where's the seasoning going?
Yeah.
Oi, the pot of bubble. Oi. Watch it, there, man.
Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to.
Yes, people, you don't know go on a season 9 and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, roll out there, man. Fully outside. Yeah, man, big up my Virgin Pan, him Earth Strong, said we. Oh, yeah, man, a good vibes. Yes, people, so we've come to a completion. Good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Coming. I just want to show you what I want. Look and see what I want.
See what I'm going.
Yo.
Curry chicken back. And banana.
What were they saying that?
Green banana. Iron. You see?
Good vibes.
Right, there's the people. Sit there. A good vibes.
Yes, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. No.
Season 9.
You have enough my mouth, look them cars. Yeah. We've been waiting for this one, you know, people. A good vibe, man. Big up yourself, 24-Hour Kitchen.
That is it.
We there. Yeah, man. Ember.
There, man.
Season 9, we there, you know. Yeah, man. And
Yo, we reach far.
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 Season 9, people.
That is
Jerk
it, man.
in curry chicken back.
And iron.
And iron. one. Because you know,
Butter iron. That
you know banana is an iron thing.
Yeah.
Alright, that is it.
Beer iron there. That is it.
Yes, everybody. Good vibes, you know. Season 9, you know. Yeah, man, look at this. I'm not joke thing. Look at that.
That is it, my father.
Yes, everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. You don't know what I want. Okay, quick update on the channel. We're in season 9. Season 8 was very great. It was a summer period. We done a lot of episodes down by the river.
Oh, sorry.
Season 9, people, yeah. Just check out on the channel, in the community. I'll be posting and giving you an update. Me and M. has got something hilarious and crazy, and it's science with
And that's just one.
science with food, people.
Yeah.
So you've never seen this before on the program. So stay tuned. Come, let's do some serving in the car.
Yeah, man, let's do
Everybody's
that.
here and then what eat. So you don't know what was going on today, people. It's all about chicken back and green banana. Green banana is something that carries a lot of iron, people. So
The one you name Iron Back.
iron back. Good vibes now. M. You just come back from Jamaica.
Yeah,
How was the trip?
it was nice. It was busy, man. Busy. Nice. I didn't get to cook no food, you know.
How was the
No, the performances were wicked. Musically, everything was great.
Yeah.
But food-wise, yeah, I never really got to cook no nice food in the countryside or nothing like that. But you don't know how it go.
So what do you think about this curry chicken, man?
Yeah, man, I have good vibe. Man, I like better. Right now, I say, why? The best thing I could have forward to, you see me? I just 2 banana me want and there you go.
Alright, I put some 2, some 3, and if you want to go back, you can go back in again.
That is it. Good vibes.
Yeah, good vibes, man.
So if we got the people in, man, 5k subscribers.
5k subscribers.
Yeah.
Everybody watching this right now, big up yourself. And if you're on the channel and you catch up later on, big up yourself also.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And if you just catch up on this later on, big up yourself because you're here on the journey, said way.
Push the like button.
Good vibes.
That is it. Iron Back.
And let's not forget to give all our audience and people of the world a big bon appetit because we have a big appetite here. So we eat
That is it.
for us and for the world.
That is it.
We appreciate the food. We're thankful forever.
Alright, so what's happening now? So as I've taken the bananas out the pot, so I'll just remove the skin. The skin was there so that you can boil the banana to
So
a...
just putting the oil in the water help that peel off.
No, that was
Stop
just...
the guy from going like black.
Yeah, it doesn't stop the water from going black.
Right.